Welcome back to an episode of Mechanical Nightmare.
Alright boys and girls, this is what happens when you don't take care of your suspension. I'll go to the other side real quick. Ready? Oh yeah, that's what you want right there.
This vehicle barely even made it into the shop. As you can see, only one lug nut is holding the whole wheel on. This head only had 5,000 miles on it from factory. Classic 3.6s.
Customer just came over to our shop from another shop, and the other shop messed up their stud right here. It's completely loose on both directions. I'm trying to break it with a chisel. That's why it has this mark in it. But it is completely loose and spins in both directions. Fun times, fun times. Video update. Stud, nut, broke the stud inside the nut by chiseling to shit.
These guys were driving on the Autobahn when the right rear brake started making a loud screeching noise. After a short while, they stopped and found this. Customer states, my car has a weird idle. I don't know about you guys, but it sounds like it's not firing on all cylinders to me. The customer denied having this serpentine belt replaced. Yikes.
Oh, I see it. That's right under the start of that house.
Customer states, vehicle makes strange noise sometimes while driving. Thanks for watching. You can submit your own videos using the link below. Also remember to like and subscribe.